So first we want to build your foundation. Take your feet wide, your toes out, and one of the most important exercises you can do on a daily basis is side lunges. This is a movement we rarely get to in our daily life. So warming up and becoming more flexible in the inner thighs and becoming stronger and more stable in the outer hips. This is really, really important for almost all of our movements, especially as we age too. Check that your knees are tracking with your toes. And warming up, you might feel also more flexibility around the inside of your knees. This is often where a lot of injuries happen. If it gets stiff, if there's too much force, it's easy to tear some of the ligaments and some of the really delicate anatomy inside of your knees. So warming it up, becoming more flexible and becoming more strong. This is really key. Side to side. Now hold on one side. One knee is bent. The balance bar is on the same side. Press it into your shoulder. Slide your shoulder and your hand down together to fold forward. The opposite hand, straight elbow, straight knee. You can slide down your shin here. Hold this stretch. Keep breathing. Your neck is neutral. Your thighs are engaged here as well. Keep your legs engaged. Drop twist, warming up. Bend your knees, rise back up. And now switch to the other side. Bend your opposite knee, lean in, slide down, and reach forward. Because I have the experience of working with people in their 80s, 90s, even 100 years old, I'm noticing that there's a lot of physical movement patterns that are most difficult. Bending over and reaching the floor becomes very difficult as people age. So the more comfortable you can become with these movements, the earlier in life, the easier it's going to be later in life. It really becomes a problem when you can't bend down and reach the floor. So start now while you still can and keep it up your whole life, and you'll never lose that ability. Sliding down little by little, keeping the legs strong and flexible at the same time. When you're ready, bend your knees, come back up, and return. Wonderful. Let your legs come in, shake it out.